Yard work is done. All of the plants are watered. Dude, we have so many freaking plants now. I freaking love it, man. I love having plants. Just makes it a lot happier, you know what I'm saying? I also need my tripod. Need this damn thing. Oh, I'm stuck. Stuck. Get off me. Yeah. The compressors are on, they're loud as... Alright, we got a door to do, and we got a hood we gotta do. I think I'm gonna approach this a little bit differently. I wanna do the hood first and get it out of the way. But before we can do any of that, I gotta get this stuff out of the way. Oh man. It's always the struggle is finding a safe place. A place that is safe to place these things, you know what I'm saying? Because there ain't nowhere you can put them out back that the dogs aren't gonna mess with them. Even on my trailer. I put stuff on a trailer and I come outside and all the dogs are on the trailer. Just hopping around and playing.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Guys, you know the deal, man. This is gonna be the same repetitive work that we've been doing in every freaking video. Watch where I'm walking there, buddy. I gotta block sand this and try to find any low spots and high spots and get them sanded out. Fingers crossed that I don't need to put more primer on it, because if I do, that's gonna tremendously slow my day down. We won't. If I gotta reprimer it, we more than likely get to spraying it today. So I'm just gonna get to it, man. I'm not gonna record a lot of this because, like I said, it's just getting really repetitive. That's what it's like whenever you're painting a car. It's really difficult to make content, man, because you're just doing the same thing over and over. Grab it, come back. this hood sprayed, and boy does it look wet. And I am zoomed in. Yeah, this came out really good, dude. I am stoked about that. I was kind of worried about spraying it with it flat. I don't really like spraying things flat inside of this booth because of the potential of dust getting on it. It's a lot less likely with it standing up, but I knew that I wanted to kind of really lay this down kind of heavy because it is a fiberglass hood. We did a lot of primer, we did a lot of block sanding on it, but it is kind of wavy, you know. You're not going to get away from that completely. So being able to really lay the paint down just kind of helps even it out, you know what I'm saying? So more than anything, I'd like to just put a cowl, just a standard cowl hood on this car. So this hood is more than likely just going to end up being a temporary thing, but I would like it to match the car. I do have a plan for these 4 little oval things on the side. So those are going to be going away, but it's going to be after paint and all that. Anyhow, the hood is done, and it's not going to be capable of being moved for a very long time. So we're gonna go mess with the car out here, because now, since we've decided to paint the whole entire car, we have unleashed a whole lot more work that we now need to do. But first, I need to get this plastic off of it. It kind of stayed on here a lot longer than what I expected. And yeah, buddy, this tape is going to leave every single bit of residue that it possibly can. I'm kidding, babe. All right, we're emptying this sucker out just for the simple fact that I'm OCD as shit, and if I have a cluttery ass mess around me, it'll drive me nuts. So need to get this rear bumper off, need to get the tail lights off, and in order to get the rear bumper off, I got to access these bolts on this side. So I got to get that plastic cover off. You lean the seat forward, right? That's what you said. Oh, we got to get all the stuff out of the back seat and lean the seat forward. Son of a bitch. Ooh, lights that I need to clear coat. Ooh, this little son of a bitch is hot, boy. Sitting in the sun.
Do we need this?
Is this the trash one?
Yeah.
We'll keep it for just in casers. All of this is garbage. Garbage. Garbage and garbage. You know where we put garbage at, right? Right in the garbage. Or the recycling can, whichever one it fits. Shit, I forgot a piece. Right in the garbage. Yay! The seats go down now. Wow, that's an inconvenient big old hump right there. No room for activities inside of the Camaro. Let's get this thing out of the way. Oh, we're probably going to move the shock. You see, the good part about this one is it's separated right here. And you didn't have to take all that off with it. This one isn't like that. It don't look like. And we're probably going to have to remove the shock right there. You know what? I might be able to just reach down in there. Oh. I could just reach down in there and get to the bolts right there.
Could you check out that cardboard piece?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay. There's a tree.
I see the tree. I see the tree.
Oh my gosh. Hey, watch the mirror. Bye.
Don't like won't shut off.
Close the door.
Whoa! Good Lord, I probably should have cleaned this windshield.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Well, it'll officially do a burnout now. Now that we've taken about 600 pounds off of it. All right, guys, I got all the rest of the parts taken off of the Camaro. We got this thing down to a bare bone shell, man. I am going to need to pressure wash it. It's the reason why I wanted to bring it out front. So I need to pressure wash all of this because I actually want to paint all this and this section up here because you can see this when the hood is open. We obviously have to do jams, and I need to get all the dirt and everything pressure washed out of here. Get this rubber trim all removed. You know, we got a lot of freaking work now that we've decided to go ahead and paint the entire car. Probably twice as much work now. Actually, you know what? I'd go as far as to say 3 times as much work now. But we got a lot done today, made some progress, and like I always say, a little bit of progress is better than no progress as long as you're going in the right direction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for your help, Jessica. I appreciate you, baby.
Of course, baby.